I'll say it, I love Ryobi, and their 10-inch miter saw is a total workhorse for the price. But we need to address the elephant in the room, dust collection. It's a disaster. You set up a miter hood, you set up a shop vac system, only to have the saw look you straight in the eye, slap you in the face, and say, "I'm sorry, we don't actually do that here." It's like it's not even trying. But let's be clear, this is not just a Ryobi problem. This is all miter saws. And I think you agree with me. It's like all the manufacturers just gave up. But when all seemed lost, a hero arose, pure of heart with the promise of shop greatness. I'm relatively new to the woodworking world. It's never too late to start. Measure once, cut twice. That's how we actually stop dreaming and start building. Let me show you how it's done. Anyways, the disassembly of the stock chute and adding this one to it is fairly simple. You can probably get the whole thing done in about 5 to 10 minutes. Unplug your saw. Nope. Unplug your saw. If you're looking at the saw, it clips to the right side first. Then after loosening the thumb screws, you can slide it onto the left side as well. Now it's worth noting that these should be just finger tight. Okay, don't over tighten these. Part of the kit includes a zip tie, and it is said that you can pretty much zip tie the back hose to any part that you feel comfortable with. I'm actually going to be switching where I zip tied it because I'm not thrilled about how I left it in this video. There's a slot for the zip tie to slide through so you don't damage the hose. Once you're good to go, start cutting. You're going to notice a difference. Maybe not at first, but if you look at it side by side, yeah, pretty obvious. And I really do appreciate the company because they never ever claim that this is going to solve 100% of your dust collection. But at the end of the day, I could say it's at least an 80% improvement. Now when doing a straight miter cut, the chute works pretty much as intended. When you're doing a sliding cut from the front, it does bump into the wood, and there is a little bit of delay when you get past the wood, so definitely nicked the chute a little bit. They do give you an extra in case, and I'm sure you could get another one fairly easily. Now, maybe I just had it up too close to the blade. I did end up sliding it back a little bit. Now, before I added this dust collector chute, whenever I would do a lot of cuts, the whole hood would be full of sawdust by the time I was done. This is significantly less. So there are a few takeaways that you have to consider, like bevel cuts get affected, especially with the 10-inch Ryobi saw. The 12-inch I think is fine. I'm not sure about any of the other brands, but basically you have to remove the little black piece there on the left side of the fence if you want to make a bevel cut. Regardless, this was absolutely worth the wait. Installation is a direct fit into the factory ports, and honestly I should have done this months ago. It's the perfect excuse for a custom zero clearance throat plate. Sounds like a next week project. In the meantime, you can watch me build this like a pro.